You've heard me say it a million times, delicious does not have to be difficult. So in this video, I want to show you my favorite way to do a grilled cheese sandwich. It's basic, it's simple. We're just going to take care to pay attention to our little bit of technique here and there, add a few fun flavors. Well, actually, it's just cheese and bacon and bread and butter. Is that 4? That's 4 ingredients, right, CJ?
That's 4.
That's 4. Let's do it. We're gonna start with our bacon. We wanna start this first because we're gonna be cooking our beautiful grilled cheese sandwich in our bacon fat in just a bit. We're gonna cook that nice and well done. We want crispy bacon. While the bacon is cooking, we can get to our cheese. Now, Blackstone Betty will always tell you, you must shred your own cheese, and I concur when it comes to making a grilled cheese sandwich. So I have my grater right here. We're gonna start with 3 different cheeses, bud. We've got some cheddar, we've got a little bit of Swiss, doesn't have the holes in it, but it is definitely Swiss, and we've got some smoked Gouda. Now I like to use 3 different kinds of cheeses to really kind of build up that cheese flavor because it's a grilled cheese. You gotta have that grilled cheese flavor. So I'm gonna start with my white cheddar and give that a nice shred. And this is a really fun thing you can do with grilled cheese sandwiches. You can mix up the cheeses. If you like one cheese better than another, go for it. If you want only one cheese, you can do that too, but you definitely wanna get a nice shred. It's gonna help us with the melting process later. There we go, that looks good. All right, now I've got, check this out, bud. But we have a lot of different flavor going on. This smoked Gouda is unbelievable. Let me get a little bite there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's flip our bacon. Go kind of low and slow on your bacon so it gets extra crispy and nice and even. Our bacon is looking fantastic. I'm gonna grab a little bit of paper towel. I want to drain this off a little bit. We don't want all that extra fat. Also, that little bit of extra draining will give us a chance for that bacon to get really crispy. Let's pull all of these over. Right to our paper towel. Perfect. Look at that. Oof. CJ, I almost went into Fraser territory. But that's okay. That's actually what I want. I do want it extra crispy. If it's not, you kind of end up getting that little chewy bit of bacon, which you don't want. So I'm going to go on a limb here, bud. Take it to the edge of Frasertown.
It's a dangerous place to live.
And you're the mayor.
Yes, I am.
All right, so to build our sandwich, find a good crusty bread. Generally in your grocery store, you'll find in the bakery, they'll have the beautiful loaves that they slice for you. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. And they're much, much bigger than just your average sliced bread. They also have a much nicer shape, which I'm a fan of. But get a good bread with a nice crust on it. Now to build this, it's very, very simple. You guys don't need me to teach you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. But here I am.
Teaching away.
See? So I'm gonna get equal amounts of both cheeses. That looks pretty good. Now be generous. I feel like part of the place where some people kind of miss the boat on grilled cheese is they don't go cheesy enough. You definitely want ooey gooey magic. Let's take our bacon. We'll do 2 pieces here. And let's put some more cheese over the top. This is gonna hold our bacon in place. Put our top piece. Kind of give it a good little press before we get onto the griddle. I want to take some of this leftover, CJ, getting really close. There's a little bit of leftover bacon. I don't want the leftover bacon, I just want the fat. I'm gonna clean the griddle off just a bit. If you need to, bring back some of the fat, right back in the middle like that. Now we're gonna add our butter right to the bacon fat and then put our beautiful sandwich right down into both. Essentially what we're looking for is a buttery bacon fat crisp on the outside of our bread. Does that make sense?
Perfect sense to me.
Perfect sense. Oh, this is the magic.
Oh, I hear it.
That's the magic. That is the magic. Let's give it a nice little cut. We can see our handiwork here. And now basically what we're looking for is this gooey, gorgeous inside. That bacon on there, that's just adding a little bit of salt. You know, we didn't season anything in here. So what we're looking for is a stunning, crispy, beautiful grilled cheese sandwich loaded with cheese. That's it. That's the secret. Lots of cheese. Use any kind of cheese that you like. A little bit of bacon. Toast it in the bacon fat and butter, and you're off to the races. Mmm. Can you hear the crunch?
Bro, it was resounding in my headphones.
Mixing the cheeses is a lot of fun, and it's a place you can play with your cheesy flavor, the cheesiness of your grilled cheese. The smoked Gouda for me is money The Swiss gives us a really good cheesy cheesiness to it. You know what I'm trying to say.
Sure.
Oh, and the bacon. Come on. Come on. Whoa.
There's cheese pull.
No.
We got cheese pull here.
There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cheesy?
Cheesy is easy. Wait.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you haven't made a grilled cheese sandwich in a while, go do it. It makes you feel all warm and fun inside. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you like to put on your grilled cheese sandwich. Check out Betty's show, Todd's show, CJ's show, Bruce's show, Destination Delicious. There's a lot of shows on the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. That was a big mouthful. I will see you guys in the next video. Speaking of big mouthful. You want one?
Yep.
You can't have it.
Okay.